Hey there, friends and neighbors. Mexican County Railroad here with you today. Tuesday, 9/24/24. Pasco Hump Yard. Gonna try to get some drone pictures today. Don't know if I'll be able to or not. You can see a train leaving going northbound towards Spokane over there. I don't know if there's much humping going on right now or not. Maybe it's lunchtime. Well, we'll sit around here for a few minutes and see if they start doing any humping. I'd hate to come out all this way and then find out they're not. But we'll keep you posted. If I get my drone up in the air, we'll see what we got, and stay tuned. Okay, friends and neighbors. Sad to say, but it turns out this is a restricted airspace. You can't fly a drone without special permission. Seems like there's an airport on the other side of this yard. But we do have some humping action going on. I want to pan over here real quick. To show you the tower, and that's where the guy doing the switching for the hump yard is. They got some cars coming down the track. If you hear squealing, that's retarders to slow them down. Like that. He's putting together a train of tank cars right now, looks like. Sorry about the highway, but this is as close as I can get. They're awful picky about people on their property. Okay. Here comes some of them plywood cars. I forget what you call them now. Having a senior moment. There comes a southbound train, looks like. So we're gonna have hump cars and a train going at the same time. 2 for 1 special. That's a coal train across the way there. More hump cars coming down the hump. Hope y'all are enjoying this. It fascinates me. Before I come out here next year, I'll try to get a exemption so I can fly my drone. Said it takes 60 days to process. Perhaps you can tell that some of these hump cars are on different tracks. We just got all kind of live train action going for you here today. Plus the highway, wish we didn't have that. If you listen when they hit, you can hear them go boom when they connect. That hump guy's got to have a lot of experience to know how much to slow these tankers down to get them to go a certain distance. They're making up some pretty long train. Oh yeah, there it went. I'll be quiet, maybe you can hear this next one. These white cars that just went by. Pow! Oh, there was another one. Pow! I'm gonna get away from this coal train just a minute and see if I can show y'all. There. Those are the engines that were pushing the cars up the hump. Now they'll have to go get them some more cars. If they got any more humping to do. There's just a lot going on in this yard. If you work over there, you get in them tracks, you really got to watch your P's and Q's because you never know what's going to be going on. Now I got to get a better tripod. Yesterday up in Sandpoint, Idaho, the high was about 60, and down here in Pasco, the high today is going to be about 90. Well, that's what I call climate change. Man, what a difference. Man, that's a long coal train. There goes a couple of engines. I don't know what they're doing. Oh, they're pulling a Some cars. Maybe they're heading northbound. Maybe we'll go up there north and try to catch one. We've seen some hump in action here, folks. It's rare, so appreciate this. There's not that many hump yards anymore. They're trying to get rid of them. So, okay, we're going to head north and see if that train's going out of here.